Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depends on the time you guys are watching me from. My contribution to another one don't share again. A new update about this single mother wey dey for Germany, where e cry come outside say government don collect one of her pikin. Na new update na I say make I come still yarn una how far, whether they don return her pikin or e still dey there. Okay, my people. Benin say giagbo wey yokpanage no kpan high. Okay, we don come. How e take play, my people? This woman cry come outside say one woman come dey visit her. No, she no know say the woman na spy. The woman na person wey dey always dey monitor person for government. So before you know her, they come collect her first pikin. I say this first pikin now she born two for Germany. She come still born two. She first born two for Morocco before she come born two for Germany. You understand? So now the story where she give us for the first video where she analyze come outside be that. Okay, I contemplate again, my people. This woman now, she come dey under social. She come talk say this government people, dem like she get one woman wey come be her friend. According to the way she dey analyze am, they like to help am out, always to come her house, come dey help am do things, come dey carry her children go guiding, all those stuff and on and on. My people, where I for quarrel with this woman be say we, some of Nigerians, we no dey like to dey use our money, to spend our money, to carry out, to buy things for our pikin. Why? Because of stinginess. Oyibo wey you feel say they carry your pikin go guiding, they carry you go out, they carry you go shopping, they carry you go dey eat together. Let's family together. Don't be say the Oyibo person too get. Just that we Africans, we too like affair. You understand? So now that affair na im dey take enter this our sister body for years. So you understand? If you too like affair, now wetin dey happen, wey happen to this our sister, then they happen to people wey too like free food. Okay, my people. So now so it is so she comes to that, she talk about many things. So I just analyze and give una. So she comes to talk about another something again where she talk say she no know say the woman dey e pikin. You understand? So they always dey talk say me pikin come spend some weekend with am, all those things. And she comes to talk another one say she no dey beat her own pikin, she dey baff her children and all those stuff. As I hear that one, my people, now I say fa. Now I shout. Now I say all this story for one person. Now I laugh. Now I say I don't believe wetin she dey talk about. You understand, my people? Okay, my country people, it take play for that Germany. Little way I know for Germany. May we talk about how people take the bath for Germany. My people, when she talk that matter, say she dey bath her children, I shout. Now I say kweke. Urobo person say kweke. My people, may I tell you a little way I know about Germany people. Germany people, they bath 3 times a week. 3 times a week. They say water to cost. So because of that one, they know they bath. So now make that is the things wey make them collect her pikin be this one. You understand? Another information where I still gather today, I will still let una know. So they say now 3 times, no be say they say now 3 times a week. Now they for the bath for Germany. Una they hear me? So 3 times a week, which is Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. They say even some children wey even dey that Germany self, they even know say Germany water no good. Now wetin their parents tell them. Germany water no good. Germany water too cost. Why it too cost? Because of say they know they work. So the money, and they know they pay house rent too. They don't they pay for light bill because everything they inside the house. The money where government they pay them, government will command the light bill and the house rent. So now they will come pay for water bill. So the money where they give them, they no go like to spend come for inside, so that mean they feel meet up for life. So now make they talk say Germany be too it too cost. You understand my people? Okay. The food aspect of it, where the people they talk say they know they eat better food, I believe that one. Just because of say they want meet up for life, they want build skyscraper for Nigeria, they want help their boyfriend because they don't deal with their baby father again, you understand, because of the money, so they don't want to deal with their baby father, you understand. So that one they use the money to they take care of their new boyfriend. Now they will send their boyfriend their husband the person where they born for. The next thing they will come there with their new boyfriend, so the money will feel reach them to take care of the guy and the children. Most houses for Germany, they know they eat meat, they know they eat fish, it too cost. They cook soup without no meat, sorry, without no fish. Most houses for Germany, most, not be all, most houses for Germany, they know they buy yam eat, it too cost. I don't see a lot. Now understand. So most of the all these single mother, most of them, majority of them, they too lazy for my liking. Because of say government they take care of them, na make them lazy, or they all lazy come from their mama belle, I don't know. How can a mother wey get pikin wey don reach like 7 years for Italy, for Spain, for other country wey I don still go, you go get pikin wey you go dey take care of, you go dey baff am, even e say e still dey 10 years, you go need to still scrub im body, go help am brush e teeth, teach am, stand with am, tell am say na here you wan brush, open your tongue, see how many times you wan brush your tongue, see how many times you wan brush your teeth. Even toothpaste not dey inside your brush again, you still need that brush to still take brush am without no like after you don use paste finish, you still carry the brush again, take am take scrub inner teeth everywhere. Majority of this German single mothers, they no dey do am. They go lie down for inside bed, they direct their pikin for inside bedroom. Have you finished brushing? Go and make your food. And what do you want? Pumice? Abi na hot dog? Carry bread, put it inside the hot dog. You will be late for school. Look at the time. Now wetin some of the single mother, once their pikin don dey go that 7 years, 6 years, now wetin dem dey do be that one. Majority of them, my people. So my people, and so we see the matter. Majority of single mothers for there, they no dey baff their children, they no dey make breakfast for their children. Afternoon food, they go tell them say make they go carry food. Imagine pikin wey dey 6 years, e don dey learn how to, that is, to dey cook by himself. 1 o'clock, single mother still dey sleep for inside bed. 12 o'clock, e still dey sleep. Sleep wey sleep all the way from night, come reach that time, never still dey okay for her. You understand? I no talk say to become a single mother say na bad thing, no. Some single dem become single mother because of circumstances. You understand? So na it cause am. No be say a lot you say they want become single mother. Nobody talk for this like say want become single mother. Except say some people wey their age don go, they don find pikin, they no see. They go just say anywhere where they for see, they go just born am so family dem get their own pikin. Some na their husband turn them to single mother before they come back from travel, as they go born for another place. The man don remarry. You understand? Body no be firewood. But some too lazy for inside. Now that one they pay me for inside the matter. Okay, this woman wey we dey talk now, she dey talk say she not do her pikin anything. Now make them collect her pikin. Wetin go just make government just collect your pikin koro without you not do anything? You don't see two people wey go just dey quarrel without, they go just dey quarrel when they sit down there. This one sit down in you, the other one sit down in you. The next thing now they just start to dey fight. You not match me, I not match you. So my people, make una dey talk truth. You understand? So that if you dey cry to people now, say make people help you, you say the truth out. Okay, see another information wey I still hear from another people. They say this woman, she no dey take care of her own pikin at all at all. He say they no dey, that is the way wey her pikin dey look, that is the way they are her 4 children wey she get for here, the way they look unkept. You understand? All those ones still dey reach the one wey government still dey collect person pikin. Pikin go school, e body, the way e body take dey be. Imagine person wey e dey baff 3 times a week. What of if the pikin na person pikin wey dey piss for house ko? And mama no go fit get up early in the morning go tell the pikin say, or go wash the pikin under say, you since you piss yesterday, me I carry you go. No. Some children go just wake up, they all go school like that without they no go brush. Their mama not even dey care. They no even know whether they brush or they no brush. All wetin they just day after na that government money, because for one video when I watched today, it said they be nanny to German government. If you look at na true, because na only nanny no dey care for your god children, you go say no concern na, e good, e no good, no concern na. So now this some single moms that they do. You understand? And this woman, and they say na umobie. Another story where I gathered today, now they say na she still get extra 2 children for Nigeria. She first get 2 for Nigeria, can't get 2 for Morocco. You can't still get another 2 for Germany again. Oh my God. This our sister, because say she's very young and marketable, she just dey do one and they go. Imagine now, those 6 children are going to be 3 fathers or even more than. I beg, we dey always dey tell people with the Africa say, now our parents na draw up for where we dey, so you understand. If to say our mama, our papa born 4, 3, 2, just like Oyibo or the way we dey born for this Obodo Oyibo, we for not dey enter this kind palaba, we enter the kind load where we dey carry for here, we for not dey carry am. You understand? Okay, now here. Now, most of our Nigerians don't even they imitate people with their house. They want you born heaven and earth. Some people for this Obodo Oyibo, then get 7 children. All in the name of say then they find boy. Some get 6. Some get 8. I don't see 8. I get friend wey talk say your husband say me born 10. If he manage give her 8, they okay, but she dey number 6 now. Imagine that kind of thing. You can't tire for Africa. We dey see who they assist us. You go give some to your granny or to your mother-in-law. But for here, no. Why go you dey carry the bomb. Okay, another point where I still gather again for here, be say, why guys all this oh my God, this single lie where single mother they tell government for Germany, for France, for other countries where they do charge benefits. They don't already know say na lie most Nigerian people dey talk. Why I talk am be say, how they take know this month you were born, next year the same month or a month after, like let's say a year and 2 months, you go still born on that one. You can't lie to government say you don't know who give you belle. You be mad person. And be you dey on drug, or you no go know say you don't know who give you belle. Another one again, 2 years time or 3 years time, you say jam another person, you don't know who give you belle. That's you just you dey buy am for market, abi the something just dey enter your body without you not know. You think they say they be when even start this something for France, CNA, as that our brother talk, say me they go bring CNA come. They come say if they say me they just tell everybody me they do that CNA, it will be the whole France. Government don't already know say una they use them till they do games, so now make them see they treat most of our Nigerians like that. How can you more than we first born 2 for Nigeria, you born 2 for Morocco? As you reach here, you will gather yourself first. I know say you are still young and marketable. You will gather yourself first before you still trust me. You born another pikin. You understand? Don't be say you know they born they go. You know they take care of them. This pikin of 18, una they feel say na the money una they collect for inside. The tiredness wey dey inside. I don't way I thought we born more woman. The tiredness wey dey inside. The shouting, you dey see the money, but you no get rest of mind for the money. You understand? The tiredness wey dey inside this matter. Only you want to carry them go school, only you want to go bring them come back from school. If na Nigeria now, you get nanny. But for here, una no dey think about all those ones. Imagine you na mother of 6, no husband, and this one na before this one still grow, na you still catch another belle. Na only person wey e no too dey normal, wey dey kizaz benin dey talk am, na him dey born like this, wey no get husband. And dey see some people wey disorder, be na disorder for brain for Africa now, dem dey born like this without dem no get husband. You understand? So my sister, abeg, try take care of all these ones, you understand? Because you no fit talk say you no do anything to that pikin wey dem collect from your hand. My people, majority of people wey dey Germany, dem no dey baff their pikin. As I that is my eye see am, no be say person tell me. I don go Germany before. No be say I go there as a single mother. I go there for visit. I don see a lot, the way they take dey live and everything. You understand? Most of them, they no dey baff their children 3 times a week. Na they take dey baff for Germany 3 times a week. Some places, and una know the people wey dey do that kind thing, wey e dey baff from that 3 times. No be say na everybody for that Germany. Na people wey e just fly in all the way from Nigeria. All those things, the cocoa aka gum, na dem. Ariyo to boy key, na dem. No dey like to baff their pikin. Even their self, they no dey baff. They will just wash their armpit, wash their bum, they waka comot, spray perfume. I see am with my koro eye. I shout. Even though say na summer, say sun dey shine gbigbigbigbigbigbigbigbi, e no concern them. The water dey costly. Na wetin I learn for Germany be that one. Na wetin I hear for people mouth be that one. Okay, you dey talk say water too costly, dey costly. For you to even carry rag, put water, put soap, take am clean your pikin armpit if you dey go school, because you be aka gum. You wan build house for Africa, but you no wan build yourself for here. You no wan settle yourself for here first. You no clean in armpit, you carry me dey go school like that. Some people no dey iron their pikin cloth before they go school. The way they take sew the cloth, bring am enter house, na so they take dey pack am. The next morning, their pikin don wear that cloth comot. You call yourself a mother. Wetin you come dey do for house? You call yourself a single mother. You are not working. You are akazalinga. You understand? So you are not working. Government is working for you. What you come dey do for house? Na just to sleep, listen to live video, watch movie, and go back to sleep, eat. Even sometimes, those children, some children wey even dey the Germany sef, that 3 times a week sef, they no go even baff, because the thing don master. If you come tell them say another language when I learn from German children, some when I come across, you tell them say, come on, go and baff. Today is Wednesday. We tell you, auntie, do you know that water is costly in Germany? Small pikin wey dey 7 years, 8 years, you don already know say water dey cost for Germany. Who tell them? No be their mama. Water is costly in Germany. Go and baff. You know that Germany water is not good for the skin. Who dey tell you na all this one? So now wetin I learn from all these people be this one. So madam, say the truth, so that the truth will set you free, so that people will know how to tackle this problem and help you out. You understand? Because you are saying that you call your lawyer, you call this. One thing when I always dey talk be say, una wey too like government money. No be say nobody wey no like government money. You like government money, government go still support you. You go still dey find another Italo person, that is, I say Italo, under godmother, white godmother, wey go still dey help you out. Now wetin all those one want to collect that pikin from you, because they see say you no fit take care of that pikin. So now wetin they go just like na to collect the pikin from your hand, help you dey take care of am, without you no go see am again. Na that one Yoruba dey call oloju kokoro. Una no wan just spend una money for una pikin body. Some to even buy cloth for their pikin na trouble. To make hair for their pikin na wahala, na problem. To make hair, to spend money for their pikin hair. All the money wey they just dey gather, they use the pikin take dey gather money for themselves, you understand. All the money wey they just dey gather na for their own pocket money. How they want to use and build a skyscraper na be their own. E no concern them whether their pikin grow or not. So abeg, if you dey this kind category, abeg make you try change your way, you understand. Na because of that pikin na dem dey give you that money, na dem make you dey house. Pikin wey you don already teach say na 3 times a week dem dey baff, my people, till the pikin grow, na wetin you go dey do be that one. Na only our granny for Africa me know say e dey like to baff for 2 times a week, 3 times, because their body don weak. So they no fit, they go tell you say they no fit dey pour water for body again. Na all those granny for Africa that time, na all those one I know. No be small small pikin. Na know say water good for health. E dey make pikin dey grow. Small pikin wey if you dey plait e hair, e hair too plenty, you no dey put water, they go tell you say na because of the hair na dey chop this pikin, na make am no grow. So make you try dey put water for this small pikin hair or barbara, you understand. So this woman never talk the true truth why they collect that her pikin, you understand. You go surprise say na that woman wey dem plan put for that house wey come dey take care of her pikin, na that one dey help am dey even dey baff e pikin, because some of this oyibo people dey even need pass some of our Nigerians. Some of our Nigerians go waste that is go toilet, go ease their self. As they come back, they no dey raise their hand. Majority of Nigerian people no dey raise their hand. Once you tell them, you go say no control me, peace no enter my hand. I don't understand. Okay, you want fair peace for house first. You want peace for heart, peace for hand before you raise your hand. That tissue you using wiping off, you need to clean your hand. You understand? So now wetin they talk na be that one. They go tell you say water a piece no enter my hand now. Now if I poo now go clean. Excuse me. You have to teach all this your children right from small pikin. Once they enter inside bus, they reach house, before they put anything in their mouth, they have to rinse their hand with soap. Once you don dey teach yourself, teach your pikin, e go be part and parcel of you. You understand? Once you go to the bathroom, rest your hand. But some Nigerians no dey do am. Some Nigerians no dey do am. The way they also dey come from outside, if they meet you say they cook for kitchen, they would like to shook that their hand, put for your meat, collect one. No be the meat they pay the person. No shook that. You fit eat dirty for inside your tummy, no problem. But don't shook it inside my food. You have to rest your hand. Some no dey do am. All of them want buy rainy things, but their well-being of their children, they no care. They say if you see this woman pikin, the way she even take, the way they take dey, she showed them for live video that they say make them see the children, say see wetin happen to her children. Oh, then see they miss their brother, they carry their brother comot to he want delete himself. Oh, you understand? A lot of people will even say if she want delete, make she delete. Now she know. Now they understand, my people. The thing touch me, but let the truth be said here. Make una learn how to dey take care of una own pikin, because majority of them too lazy. I don't too see. Now out of stinginess, una take talk say Germany water dey cost. No be you pay house rent, no be you pay for light bill. Germany water na come make, na that water come dey cost. My people, I never hear this one before. Now only Germany for the hear all this one. My country people, make I leave una for this junction. I promise to bring more updates about this woman story. As I dey tell una, they say this woman get 2 other children, grown-up children for Africa. Under 2 grown-up pikin for Africa. They say anything wey they call man, na be her business. Madam, take care of your children first before investing on man, or before looking for another man you want to born for again. Because according to her, now you say the 2 wey she born for here, their papa now they don't repatriate and go Italy. So she's a single mother. She's the one taking care of her children alone. So now make them one collect some for instance, say she know if you take care of them. Not be only cooking or all those things. their look alone shows that you are not taking care of them. My people, make I leave una for this video. Bye everyone.